G'day everybody, where's Wally here? Well, Adam, what a fail this one was. He keeps doing the same thing with the plane, doesn't he? He just doesn't know how to plane.
This is Lockheed Martin's SR-72, penciled in for its first flight in 2023, a couple of years from now, although some think it's actually in the air and flying right now. Regardless, what I find fascinating about this plane are the stats attached to it. Bear with me. Okay, so we got the stats here for the SR-72. All I'm interested in is speed. Mach 6, 7,400k, which essentially is 4,598 miles an hour. So we've got that as a reference because I want to see how much supposed curve drop, according to the globe mathematics, this plane has to take into account while it's going top speed for an hour. And over the course of an hour, according to the globe maths, there's 2,108 miles of curve or drop between the 2 points of reference. Now, if we break that down to a minute, divide 2,108 miles by 60 minutes, we get a figure of 35 miles of drop stroke curve per minute. So whoever's going to be sat in that plane, if the Earth was a ball and they were going full speed, they'd have to drop 35 miles per minute to stay level on a ball, which is obviously ludicrous.
Prepare ship for light speed.
No, light speed is too slow.
Light speed too slow?
Yes, we're gonna have to go right to ludicrous speed.
Now, as if that wasn't bad enough, the latest news coming out of Lockheed Martin regarding the SR-72 just makes it even worse. Lockheed Martin confirms the SR-72, son of Blackbird, will reach anywhere in the world in 1 hour. Just scroll down. The SR-72 is expected to reach speeds over 14,500 miles an hour. Wow! Now I'm curious to know how much globe Earth curve stroke drop the SR-72 will have to encounter doing those supposed speeds travelling across the Earth. Should we have a look? So this incredible plane, according to the globe mathematics, when it's flying full speed, according to the claims made by Lockheed Martin, and it's travelling the Earth in an hour, if that's the case, and the Earth is a globe, this plane, to remain level on a ball, needs to be dropping on an average of 2 miles per second.
Well, what you're doing, mate, is you're estimating this over an hour to get a nice big drop number. How about you try it like this? What does the plane do in just 1 second? 4 miles per second? It drops 10 feet, which is 0.02 of a degree. Now, do you think the SR-72 is able to drop just 0.02 of a degree in 1 second? I'm sure they can manage that. And then after that second, you simply do it again. And then you do it again for the next second. And after 3,600 seconds, you've gone 1 hour. No big deal. Super easy. Barely an inconvenience.
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
So Adam, this is what's wrong with your method. It doesn't pass the sniff test. So if this plane can go to anywhere in the world in 1 hour, that means it's on the other side, right? So how about in 1 hour and 59 minutes? Where is the plane going to be? Well, according to you, the plane is now going to have to fly backwards and up a bit. What sort of drop is that? Oh dear, that's not going to work, is it?
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
Well, thanks everybody. That'll do for Adam.
Thanks, Wally. It seems that Adam has made the same mistake that Globebusters made years ago, but at least they realised it and deleted their video. For some reason, he is calculating the drop from a stationary position. That is not how rate of descent is calculated for an aircraft. If he does the math from the reference point of the aircraft, he will see that there is no rate of descent required for the aircraft to follow curvature. As it flies around the Earth, it remains at the same altitude above the ground, and therefore there is no rate of descent required. And what this really shows us is that Adam still can't apply mathematics correctly to the scenario. It seems to be a common problem with flat earthers. If you look at the comments from others on his video, None of them have picked up the mistake. I've been saying it for a long time. To be a flat earther, you have to fail at basic math and geometry. And here is more evidence that this is true.